Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you a sweet rice pulao. It's going to be quick and easy, super tasty and super delicious. It's going to be guava rice pulao and I'm going to use store-bought guava juice. I get 2 cups of guava juice. Basmati rice, 1 cup. I'm going to wash with cold water. Salt, black pepper, coriander powder, half teaspoon each. Cumin seed, jeera, dry cilantro, dhania, 1 teaspoon each, and 2 tablespoons olive oil. Let's start making our delicious rice pulao. Basmati rice, I put it into strainer. I wash with cold water. You don't have to soak the rice, just wash it just like that and drain the water. Get a fry pan. We're going to start gas and we're going to keep the gas on high. Bring olive oil. Bring cumin seed. Cook them for 10 seconds. I'll bring the spices, salt, black pepper and coriander powder. Mix it well and we'll cook another 10 seconds. And this is good enough. Now we'll bring the guava juice. We'll bring cilantro. Stir it. Now we're going to cover with the lid and we're going to bring the guava juice to boil. As the guava juice started to boil, I'll open it. I'll bring basmati rice, mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, cover with the lid. On a high gas, we're going to cook for 5 minutes. 5 minutes cooking on a high gas. I'm going to bring the temperature to low, which is simmer. And we're going to let the rice pulao simmer for 10 minutes. It's exactly 10 minutes simmering our rice pulao. I'm going to turn off the gas. It's very important. You don't want to tilt the lid because all the moisture trapped on the lid, that's going to go into our rice pulao. So just pick it up straight and just walk away, just like that. Our delicious rice pulao. I'll show it to you. Look at this. All the grains are separate. Wow. And this is cooked to our perfection. All the grains are separate. It's not sticky. This is a perfect rice pulao. Our quick and easy, tasty, delicious guava rice pulao is all ready. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share, and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.